So we have a Christmas special today. I hope you're gonna enjoy my video today. We're fishing on Alua Lake. It's not the greatest looking. The water is quite murky and the water is also quite high. But we are hoping to get the pike on a dead bait and some mackerel, and also we're gonna try to use some ground bait to get some bait fish. Just some perch and roach and stuff on the worms. So fingers crossed we get something. We'll see now how it goes. The plan is to anchor most of the day, do some nice meal there on the shore, if we're going to be able to approach the shore, because it's all flooded. So I presume all the fields where usually fish are all flooded. But look, fingers crossed we find some nice spot there. The current, especially the flow here, is quite strong, so it's going to be fairly challenging to get through, but look, we'll get there. So enjoy the video. Happy Christmas, everyone. Let's see, is there any hungry pikes around here? There's a lot of nice structure, which is great. I can see here on my sonar. So, oh yeah, there's a lot of fish there and seem quite big. So, let's see there now. Up. Let it sink, let it sink, let it sink. Woo! Look, I got two. I'm using micro sabikis. Yeah, I have her again. Look, little rose. Yeah, I have him. Finally. Look. We'll see more. Oh, there's a lot of mud. So it's a lunchtime, so that's where I park my kayak, and that's my go-to cooking kind of a kit. So I have there my pans, and this is the hobo stove I made myself, and it works perfect. I'm cooking the beans I found here in Ireland, Croatian beans. They're delicious. so and easy to cook, so I don't have to spend too much time. I just throw it in a pot there with a bit of a water and put some extra spices, a bit of onions, and happy days. Oh, you wouldn't be able to do this now with a other kayak. What's the name? I could go for a nap now. I could go for a nap now. We go around spinning a bit. I think so. Finally. Breathe. Look. Look, again two. Oh my God. Oh yes, please. That looks amazing here, Matt. I do want to go in here. If I catch one, will you come? If I catch it, I'll give it to you. But you're going to have to come here to take it. Huh? Myself, I'm in. Oh my God, that looks so good. Come here, I can see a lot of fish here. We've never been here before, and we just kind of decided to go around and explore a bit, and that's what we find. We made like a little fire there and a little umbrella, our kayaks, so we are going to warm up our feet now, have a tea, biscuits, and happy days. Wojciech is looking for wood there. Wave, Maciek, wave. Wave. Oh, that's oh, we're gonna definitely go. But there's no hope. Yeah, we can go. Whoa. Whoa. Videos on the YouTube, you know, the tiger chasing the lures. But I never in my life like that. Yeah, that was amazing. Amazing fishing session. So